In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to target location with your Instagram ads, right? I'm going to show you how to do geo-targeting ads, how to target a specific neighborhood, a specific location, and pinpoint exactly where you want to show your ads to. So make sure you like this video right now and watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out on any important information, right?
So once you come to your ads manager, click on create to create your ad. Alright, then you can select your objective. Alright, let's say you want to use this, click on continue. Now go to the asset level straight. Alright, this is here we can target our location and select Instagram. So click asset level here. Alright, which is this one here. Alright, so you can scroll down. So guys, I'm not going to show you how to create a full ad here. I already did a step-by-step video on how to create a detailed Instagram ad. Alright, so I'm going to link it on the description below. So if you want that, you can just check it out. I just want to show you how to target, location on your Instagram ads. Scroll down. Then see this place that shows location under your asset level. Your asset level is where you do your targeting, the age range, the interest, and all that, the location. So under this location here, let me zoom. Under this location here, click on this pencil icon here. So I'll click on it. Then I cannot type the location I want to target. Let's say I want to target London. Right. I will put it here. London, England, United Kingdom. I will select it. Right. I will now come here and click on this drop down here and click on current city only, which is what this means that Facebook, please, I want my ads to reach only people in London. Don't exceed this part. Alright. Then you can decide to even turn this off if you want to be very strict. Right? You don't want to reach more people that are likely to respond. Right? What does this mean? That your ad is only going to show to London. But if you want to play around with some things and you just want to trust Meta to probably show your ads to more people that are likely going to respond your target location, you can now decide to select reach more people likely to respond, right? And you're also going to get cheaper cost per result, right, when you turn this on. But it depends on you. If you want to be very strict with your location, then please turn it off, right? So that's how you can select location. So let me use another city as an example, right? So you can see 0 kilometer here. We change from this to current city only. All right, so let me remove this now. Let me use another location. Let me use Abuja. Let's say you are hosting an event in Abuja. You want to target only people in Abuja, or you sell a service that covers all the people in Abuja. You can search for Abuja here, and you can select it here. And then click on this. Then click on current city only. What does this mean? Facebook, please target only people within Abuja. Alright, and you're good to go. Right, so let's use California as an example now. So come here, search for California, United States. Right, so let's remove this. So we don't just, okay, let's assume you don't want to target California, right? You want to target Sacramento, all right, in California. So just search for it here, then we click on it. Right, so you can see this is not the place we are targeting. So most people, they actually exclude other locations. So once you do that, you are good to go. There's no point of, as long as you have, okay, let me use Lagos now. Right. Then what does this 40 kilometer mean? This means that it's going to reach a wider radius, alright? Which means it might be reaching people in Ogun State, Ibadan, and the rest of them. Or you can even reduce it. But what I just like putting it out, especially if I want to be very, very strict. I just want Facebook to focus my budget on that particular city. I'll just click on current city only, right? But most times, most times you can also do this Right, although this is the old way, here you reduce this to the lowest amount that allows you to, right? Then you drop a pin, then you drop a pin, then you zoom into the map, then you exclude other places, right? Now you zoom into the map, you click on drop pin, this one, then you look for other places around Lagos, which is Ibadan now. You cannot drop the pin here in Ibadan, right? Then you click on this. Right, now this is the Ibadan location, right? This is the Ibadan location, which is this one. You can now come here, click on it. Right, you can increase the radius. And when you finish increasing the radius, you can now click on this and click on exclude location. Alright, it's not going to turn red. Let's go to the map now so that you can see. Look at it, Ibadan is not turning red. What does this mean? We have excluded Ibadan from the map, right? You can do this for surrounding states in Lagos, right? You can do this for surrounding states in Lagos, right? And you are good to go. You can even come here and search for Ogun. Okay, so you can come here and search for Ogun. Alright, Ogun, Nigeria. Then click on exclude location. What does this mean? We have excluded surrounding states within Lagos, right? So, but just to make things simpler, you don't have to be doing all of this. You just select your location direct. So you click on current city only, then you are good to go. Right? Once you have set your location, the next thing you want to do is to scroll down, depending on where you want to show your ads to. Right? So you click on show more settings here. Right? Then click on this pencil icon here. Now, if you want to let your ads to show on Instagram only, you can untick Facebook, untick Messenger, untick Audience Network, right? Then untick Thread, untick this. So we now have only Instagram tick here. What does this mean? Your ad is only going to show to your specific location is specified, and also show only on the Instagram platform. Why? Because Instagram have more quality audience, but note that your ad is going to be very expensive. Why? Because you have limited your location to a specific city. One. Then also you have limited your ad to show on only a particular platform. Alright, so be ready to spend more but get more of high quality leads. Alright. So that's just it. So once you have done all this, can I click on next and fill in your ad message and publish your ad. Alright, like I said, if you want to learn how to set up your ad step by step, your Instagram ad, you can check the description of this video where I link the detailed video there. Alright, now one more thing I want to show you with your Instagram is this.
So that is that for that part. Now, before we proceed, if you have been trying to grow your business online, trying to run ads, you have tried everything possible, you have tried everything you are told to do, but still yet you struggle to get consistent sales, you struggle to get consistent leads, then you want to subscribe to this channel because I share videos like this that's going to take your Facebook, your TikTok, Instagram ads to the next level, right? So now, if you really want to learn and master social media ads this year, make sure you like this video now and you subscribe to this channel, right? So click the subscribe button below this video right now so that we can proceed. Have you done that? Right, let's proceed.
You can like, if you want to target your Instagram followers, right? If you want to retarget them, let me show you how you can do that. Come to all tools, and so come to all tools, come to audiences, then click on it, this audiences here. So once you have come here, you can click on create audience, click on create audience, then click on create custom audience. Right, once you've done that, which is under meta source. Click on Instagram profile so that you can reach people that have been following your Instagram. You can retarget them on your ad. And why is this important? If you have few views or few followers on Instagram, it's going to make so much sense to you. Because if you reach all these people that knows you on Instagram, they're going to convert. Why? Because they know you already. They have seen your content at least once or twice. They follow your page. They like your content. Alright. So when you post, it's not all of everybody that will see your post, but when you run ads, I guarantee you that you can reach a lot of people that have known you before, or that is your fan, or that is following you before with this strategy. Right. So select Instagram profile, click on next. Right. Then select your Instagram source here. Right. Select your Instagram source here. Then events, you want to select people who engage with this professional account. Before you want to do this, you want to make sure that you have linked your Instagram account and you have also switch your Instagram account to professional mode from your app, your Instagram app. Alright. So you want to select people who engage with this professional account, whether they have liked your content, they have seen your post before, they have messaged you, just general one. Right. Then in the past, you can leave it at this one. Right. Then you can now name your audience name here. Instagram engagers. Right, you can now click on create audience. Right, you can now click on done. Alright, look at our audience now. What does this mean? We can now target people that have engaged with our Instagram before. These are auto leads. Right, now we can now, let me show you how to use it. On your ad set level, alright, remember I told you ad set level is where you do your targeting, your location, age range, and all that. Okay, now on your asset level, which is the middle one here, right? You want to scroll down. Now you see here we selected location, right? You want to scroll past there. You're going to see a menu that says suggest an audience, but not just suggest an audience. You're going to see a sub menu that says include this custom audience. Remember we created a custom audience for Instagram engagers, right? So this way now come this box here, right? So now we'll now search for our target audience here. Right, now search Instagram engagers, or we just come to custom audience instead. Okay, you can just search Instagram or look at it yourself for our audience. Although it's still populating because we just created it newly, right? Then select it. Good. Now we have selected our custom audience, Instagram engagers. We're now targeting people that have engaged with our Instagram. At least they have seen our content on Instagram at least once. They have liked our content, messaged us, or even following us on Instagram, or even make comments or any interaction, or even save our post. Right? These people, they know you before, so it's more easier to close them and reach and sell to them. Right? That is if you have, an engaging Instagram account that has been for a while now. So I trust you gain value in this video, and if you follow this strategy here, you're actually going to run an effective Instagram ad, even effective Facebook ad, alright? As long as you set your location well and you want to reach the right people. And that's it. If you gain value, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, alright? And if you don't have an engaging Instagram profile, maybe your Instagram profile does not really have a lot going on there, then you can just remove this. Right, I use zero targeting. Right, it also work very best too. So if you really gain value in this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I guarantee you, if you watch more videos in this channel, your sales acquisition, your lead generation is going to go to this next level. Right? That is something I can guarantee you, because I share helpful videos that has helped myself and my clients, alright, move from struggling to generate leads to getting thousands of consistent leads and sales per month. Right, so whatever I'm sharing here is from real life experience. It's not something I read from one place or from Google. No. Right, so you want to make sure that you share more videos in this channel that is going to help your business and grow your business this year. Alright, once again, my name is God Bless Boy. Alright, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, alright. And if you want to learn how to set up a proper Instagram ad step by step, then click on this video showing at the top of your screen.